Okay, welcome back to the Crypto Mastermind Show, guys. I got a little gem for you today. I found an awesome stock, a crypto stock that you're gonna want to have on your portfolio. So we're gonna do a little bit of a deep dive on this stock, and it's got ties with XRP, as you can see right there. This one's a big one. You're gonna want to buy this stock. And it's cheap as well. I'm going to show you how to buy it, but you're going to wait till the end though. Okay, so it's called Vivo Power. So it's been around since 2014 and was listed on NASDAQ since 2016. Alright. Vivo Power is an award-winning B corporation with a global footprint spanning the United Kingdom, Socialist Australia, North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Today, Vivo Power has 3 business units: Tembo Electric Vehicles, Carrot Power, the X Sustainable Energy Infrastructure, and Vivo Federation Digital Assets. That's what we want. And Decentralized Finance Solutions. Tembo focuses on electric solutions for off-road and on-road customizable and ruggedized fleet applications, as well as ancillary financing, charging, battery, and microgrid solutions. Long story short, they used to do energy and power stuff, right? But they're transitioning their business as an XRP treasury company, focusing more on digital asset mining. As it says right here, Carrot Digital is a power to X business focused on the highest and best use cases for renewable power, including digital asset mining. Vivo Federation is an XRP focused digital asset treasury business that also invests in blockchain based decentralized finance solutions. Telling you guys, this thing is gonna skyrocket, this stock, and it's still cheap. I'm gonna show you how to buy it later, right at the end. So you gotta stick around. So they got a lot of XRP. This Vivo Power. Alright, let's look at the digital assets. That's what I'm interested in. And the people that are hooked up with this project, man, like the Saudis, like billionaire guy, he's like involved in this project, man. So you know it's a legit. This is a perfectly legitimate company, and it's cheap. Redefining institutional treasury with XRP and blockchain technology. Vivo Power is the first publicly listed company to implement a corporate treasury strategy centered on XRP, the native token of the XRP ledger. Through structured XRP acquisitions, strategic crypto partnerships, and decentralized finance integrations, we're building a regenerative financial architecture that combines enterprise-grade stability and blockchain scalability. See what I mean? They're the first one to do it. Okay, our digital asset strategy began with $121 million private placement, priced above market and compliant with NASDAQ listing standards. Remember how I told you about that prince, that Saudi Arabia prince? Look right here. Global investors including Prince Abdulaziz, I'm not gonna fucking say his name, too hard to say. Vivo Power has formally committed to XRP as a long-term digital reserve asset with real-world financial utility across payment infrastructure, smart contracts, and institutional yield frameworks. Guys, man, I'm telling you, man, this thing's gonna take off, man. This thing's gonna fucking take off. It's gonna like skyrocket. You give it another 5 or 6 months. Oof. Vivo Power actively supports the XRP ledger ecosystem with capital investment, technical development, and market validation. Our digital treasury strategy powers new enterprise applications through targeted R&D, research and development, in decentralized finance and sustainable crypto mining. Spin-off ventures such as Temblo EV Solutions and Carrot digital asset mining will accelerate blockchain adoption in real-world industries. Man, I'm definitely buying this stock, man. See, and when this company, they were buying XRP at 40 cents when you and me were paying like $2 a piece, and they bought like 121 million in XRP. They got a massive stockpile of XRP, man. This Vivo Power. So they're like changing their business model more to like mining, like digital asset mining. Okay, XRPFI is Vivo Power's proprietary treasury framework built on the XRP ledger. It merges enterprise finance principles, compliance, stability, and transparency with blockchain native technologies from Flare and Ripple. Wow, man, wow. Flare's involved in this. And Ripple. XRPFI allows our XRP reserve to generate yield, support operational liquidity, and power ecosystem innovation. Our upcoming adoption of Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin further strengthens our reserve model through US dollar backed stability. So they're gonna, just as it says there, adopt the Ripple RLUSD stablecoin. Oh man, this thing's gonna skyrocket. I can see this coming. Our treasury strategy is guided by finance veterans and blockchain pioneers. Vivo Power's board includes former Ripple leadership and global investors specializing in decentralized finance. The combination of legacy, insight, and crypto-native vision ensures our strategy balances innovation with trust, scalability, and institutional-grade governance. I think I've covered my fair share on this company. We will go and have a look. I want to deep dive this properly. Cover the electric vehicles for a little bit. I'm more focused on the digital asset side of things, but we are global leaders in electric vehicles. That's pretty cool, man. So like, if you look at the partners that they have. Oh, that's good. Not bad. They got off-road EV solutions. So like people can upgrade their car to a full EV, you know. This is a perfectly legitimate company, you know. They're doing this in like Africa or something. looks like an old Toyota Land Cruiser. Okay, so we've covered that. Now let's look at what the ChatGPT tells us about Vivo Power. Okay, so they're doing solar energy, we get that. Solar asset management, Vivo Power also offers services related to the management of solar assets, we get that. I'm just gonna skim over it because I know it's already a good company. I just want to show you. You can choose whether you want to invest in it or not. Some of you already got a good amount of crypto, so you want to diversify. This is the perfect way to diversify and still get a lot of upside. All right. Okay, energy storage. As part of its renewable energy strategy, the company has a focus on energy storage solutions, which are essential for balancing the intermittent nature of solar power with demand. Your EV charging. Vivo Power operates in multiple regions, with presence in countries like Socialist Australia, the UK and the US. The company focuses on both developed and emerging markets where the demand for clean energy is growing rapidly. Alright. Vivo Power has pursued strategic acquisitions to expand its footprint in the renewable energy sector, for example, in the recent years. Yeah, I think we get that. Vivo Power listed on London Stock Exchange. Yeah, but you don't want to buy it there. Let's try this. I can't remember how many million of XRP they have. Come on, man, really? I know they got a lot. Wow. And ChatGPT sometimes is useless. I have to use Grok. Alright, I will get my notes. Fortunately, I wrote some notes down for you. Okay, so they got a former Ripple executive. Oh, you're gonna want to know this. They have exposure to Ripple's private stock. Vivo Power has exposure to Ripple's private stock. That's massive, guys. That's massive. The Root network is involved. A very good crypto. It's like a metaverse type of crypto. I think even Algorand is involved in this project. I know this crypto this stock is solid, guys. It's rock solid. I had my guy screen it out, so I know it's good. I've checked it out myself. You've seen it. Alright, let's see how much it's trading at, eh? $2.26 US. Very cheap. Look at the all-time high. It was like $8.88. Chinese people's favorite number, 888. Vivo Power, $2.26. The 52-week high was $8.88. Let's see. 'Cause it's still trading quite cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna go and buy myself some of this stock, man. This is good shit. If you look, what? $193, man. Wow, and now it's only $2, man. So you can scoop up a lot. What? Man. You could get rich off this stock, guys. There we go. It's got it right there. So they got about, I think it's 261 million XRP. 261 million XRP. Vivo Power hold, if I'm not wrong. Let's look at the news here. Guys, buy this, man. Not financial advice, but seriously look into buying this at least. Raising with the issuance of additional common shares at $6.05 per share. You see, you're buying it cheap, man. They raised about 19 million. See, the Saudi prince is involved in this. He's not gonna invest in garbage, you know. This is obviously a highly legitimate company, man, with a lot of upside. I wish I'd known earlier, man. I would have bought this earlier, but my guy just told me about it, so I'm sharing it with you. Yeah, I don't want to sit on this, man. But it's already 18-minute video. That's how you know it's good. Okay, the ticker symbol is VVPR right there. So you're gonna put it into your brokerage account, that ticker symbol, and then it'll come up with the Vivo Power, and then you can buy it. It's cheap, man. It's cheap. Buy this shit. And the Ripple executives are in on it, man. Like this, the all-time high was like $193, man. Now it's only for $2 you can buy it, man. Massive upside. Anyway, we'll leave that at that. If you haven't already bought your crypto, do check out Caleb and Brown. Right here. They'll look after you. They're the best crypto exchange in the world, in my professional opinion, of course. They have institutional grade custody, secured by Fireblocks, as it says right there. You get access to a 24/7 personal broker. The fees are very minimal. You get a very high level of service. I know that for a fact. All your favorite cryptos there. They even have a Caleb and Brown app that's on the App Store. Very secure. They got excellent reviews, as you can see there. Yeah, the brokerage is available like 24/7. You can access your broker 24/7. Even if your broker's sleeping, they'll have a replacement broker, so you won't miss out on anything. So they got all your favorite cryptos there, all your XRPs and XLMs and XDCs. You got the app there, as I said earlier. If you have a company account or an LLC or an S corp or whatever corporation that you have set up, you can set up a corporate account with Caleb and Brown, or you can have a personal account, or you can have both. I thought I'd let you know because not many exchanges offer that level of service. And it's free to sign up to Caleb and Brown. It does not cost you any money, so you got nothing to lose. You know, they're the absolute best in the world. I mean, you can look at the Trustpilot score right there, 4.9. They're excellent at what they do. So anyway, I'm gonna end the video there. Please like and subscribe, would be greatly appreciated. Crypto Mastermind out.